And now for the news in detail. The Meghalaya Cabinet has today decided to enhance the grant and aid provided to ad hoc schools in the state. For the category of higher secondary and science teachers, the Cabinet will enhance salaries by Rs 9,000. Other categories like the upper primary, lower primary, Hindi and also fourth teachers of SSA, the Cabinet has decided to enhance by Rs 6,000. The Chief Minister informed that the move will have a total impact of roughly 100 crore annually. Post the announcement, the Federation of All Schools Teachers of Meghalaya has expressed disappointment at the announcement. FASTOM has announced that a decision on the agitation will be taken tomorrow.
Enhance the grant in aid to these privately run ad hoc schools. For the different categories that are there, the higher secondary, the secondary and the science teachers, the Cabinet has decided that the enhancement will be 9,000 rupees for this category. Other category is the UP, the LP and the Hindi teachers and also the fourth teacher of the SSA. In these four categories, we have decided to enhance the salary by 6,000.
Chief